remember when you earned your first billion? Yung first billion po. Can you remember when you earned it?
Which is not ABS-CBN. And just when a lot of people were leaving the station. Because of my contract and how big it was, I invested, I put down payments, and so I borrowed against four to buy several properties. So they were really utangs na properties. And then the contract was renegotiated and I got out of the station and I went back to ABS and I wasn't making what I was supposed to make. But I was happy in ABS-CBN. It was home, you know. So, ang nangyari, naiwan sa akin yung mga inutang kong mga properties na hindi naman ako uutang ng ganun kung wala akong... Actually, ganito, parang ganito yung thinking ko. Kung meron akong pambili ng 10 silmo na Mercedes-Benz, by the way, wala akong mahal na kotse. Kasi nag-depreciate ang kotse. So, I'm still with my trustworthy van na matagal na. Hindi ako maarte sa kotse. I have jewelry. Why? Because I know they will appreciate. And I have girls, I have children. I only invest, even my Hermes bags or whatever luxury items you have. Do you know how much Chanel has raised their prices? And do you know that if you use an Hermes bag very well, but you take care of it, if you resell it, you're still gonna make some money na gamit mo pa, diba? So, that's the way I shop. And then, so, where was I? Yung dito ako napupunta? Debts. Yung debts, okay. So, dahan-dahan nabayaran ko yon. And nabayaran ko how? Nakabenta ako ng ibang bayad ko na. And so, then you get this, okay, ganyan. Ngayon, may bago akong utang. Because, well, some I used to invest in other properties. Some, I'm building my house now. You know, and after that, I like a clean slate. I don't like nagkakautang. Once I borrowed some money to build the house before in Wakwak. My loan was a 5-year loan. And I paid it off in 3 years kasi natatagalan ako sa 5, baka mamatay ako. So, and I bought that when I was like 27, 28, yeah. Sorry, but honey, kasi hindi ako syempre exception dahil kumakanta na ako ng 12. Nag-movie ako ng 15. I made my first million at like 15, 16. So, medyo misstep na ganon. So, but you know, my father taught me this and he taught me how. It's easier to make 10 million from 1 million than to make your first million. But I was in showbiz, so it was faster for me. The thing is, I listened. And so I grew and grew and grew that much. And I'm 58 now.
Miss Sharon, can you remember when you earned your first billion?
I was about 15, 16. Because I started singing at 12. I did my first movie at 15. And at the time, I was the highest paid movie. I was being paid the sweldo of a superstar at that time. Because my dad gave that prize to Sining Silangan for Dear Heart, thinking na they would say, sobra naman. Kinol. So biglang napilitan. So, napilitan na happily. So when I made it, tuloy-tuloy lang siya. So I really saved it. My parents didn't touch my money.
Yung first billion po. Can you remember when you earned it?
Before I married Kiko.